We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to provide a comprehensive expert overview of the Levenkeness 3D simulation bread-shaped plush pillow. This unique pillow is designed to look exactly like a loaf of freshly baked bread, featuring 3D printing on delicate plush fabric that creates a very realistic and vivid food throw pillow. The pillow is made from high-quality short plush and filled with premium PP cotton, ensuring it is soft, full, and maintains its shape without deformation. Its size is approximately 31.4 inches long, making it a substantial cushion ideal for hugging or leaning against. The pillow is machine washable and crafted from cotton, which adds to its comfort and durability. Users frequently mention how strikingly realistic the pillow looks, with many surprised at how closely it resembles an actual loaf of bread. The detailed print design and vivid patterns contribute to this effect, making it not only a fun decorative item, but also a cozy companion. Many buyers have found it to be an excellent gift, especially for children and teenagers who enjoy quirky and playful home decor. For example, one reviewer gifted it to an 11-year-old nephew who is a bread baker, and he loved it, appreciating the authenticity of the bread shape and size. This pillow is also popular among adults who enjoy novelty items or want a soft plush pillow with a humorous twist. Comfort is a strong point for this pillow. Despite its novelty appearance, it is soft and plush, filled with high-grade PP cotton that provides a comfortable and supportive feel. Users report that it is perfect for leaning against on sofas, beds, or chairs, and some even use it as a body pillow due to its generous length. The plush fabric is described as pleasant to the touch, adding to the overall cozy experience. One practical note is that the pillow arrives compressed in vacuum packaging, which can make it appear smaller or less fluffy initially. However, users recommend tapping it gently and allowing it to sit for a day, or placing it in sunlight for about 30 minutes to restore its full shape and fluffiness. This process is generally quick and effective, and the pillow returns to the size and softness described in the product details. Some users have pointed out minor drawbacks. A common complaint is the presence of a semi-permanent Made in China sticker placed prominently on the pillow, which is difficult to remove without damaging the fabric. This detracts slightly from the aesthetic and could be improved by repositioning the sticker or using a less permanent label. Additionally, a few reviewers felt the pillow was somewhat smaller or less fluffy than the picture suggested, and some considered it slightly overpriced for the quality and size. Despite this, the majority of users were satisfied with their purchase and found the pillow to be a fun, comfortable, and unique addition to their home. The pillow is versatile in its use. It fits well in various settings such as living rooms, bedrooms, or even as a quirky accessory on bikes or holiday decorations. Its realistic bread shape and soft texture make it an interesting conversation piece and a delightful gift for holidays like Christmas or Valentine's Day. The pillow's plushness and size make it suitable for both children and adults, with the manufacturer recommending it for ages 3 and up. Overall, the Levenkeness 3D simulation bread-shaped plush pillow stands out as a novelty item that combines visual appeal with functional comfort. It is well made with quality materials, offers a unique design that is both humorous and charming, and provides a soft, cuddly experience that users enjoy. While there are minor issues like the sticker placement and initial packaging compression, these do not significantly detract from the pillow's value. It is a great gift idea for bread enthusiasts, kids, or anyone who appreciates fun home decor that also serves a practical purpose. If you own this pillow or decide to get one, please consider leaving a review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. The link to the product is in the description, and using it supports our channel. This pillow is a delightful blend of novelty and comfort, making it a memorable addition to any home.